Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the batteries in your Nissan intelligent key fob. This key fob is actually used for many different Nissan models like the Nissan Tiana or Altima, Nissan X-Trail or Rogue, Nissan Juke, Nissan Qashqai, and many other different vehicles from Nissan. So make sure you've got fresh new battery. It's a 2032. This one is from Maxell lithium battery. And how to open the key I'll show you just in a short while. So this is the one that we use in Thailand. We've got only 3 buttons as opposed to other countries which has 4. That one can be used to open the windows remotely or start the car using just the remote. And from the ones that we get in Thailand, we've got 3 buttons. There's the panic, there's the open and the close buttons. So the first thing we need to do is just find the slot. Just find the button here, which is used to attach the emergency key inside. So you just press and hold it and then pull the actual emergency key out of the shell, this key fob. And the next thing we've got to do is use the flathead and find the gap right in between this key here. So on the right side here, there is a gap where you can put in the flathead screw and just twist or turn it nice and easy. And on the other side as well. There you are. So now there's a gap where you can put your fingernail in to open up the key fob. You can use your fingernail or other stuff. Make sure you do it slowly, nice and easy, so as not to break the plastic. Now once you open the key fob, there is this side here on the left is the one with the microchip. It's the one with the buttons. You don't have to deal anything with this. Just lay it down here. And the ones we need to change the battery is on the other side. You can also use the flathead to just remove the battery. There you are. Just a little twist. Take it off. Remember to put the batteries in place as how you took it off, so you get a fresh new battery. Right. So we've got the new battery right here. So this is the positive side. The positive should be put under. The negative should be on top as before. This is the negative side. Just put it back in there. There you are. And what we need to do next is just put it together. Nice and easy. You don't want the chips to be coming out of its place. Make sure you put it right in place. And once you hear the click, there, slowly. There you are. And when it clicks, it means that it's put in place. There you are. And the next thing to do is to just put back in the emergency key right in its place. There you are. So that's it. Now you can press the button. If it lights, it means the battery is in the right place. So there you are. It flashes. The red light flashes here, which means that you just put the batteries in the correct place. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.